with a very important chapter, and the name of the chapter which we are doing is triangles. And in this chapter, initially we are going to talk about area of a triangle. Now, everybody would be knowing, right, what is area of a triangle. Let's discuss that now. So the formula for area of a triangle is nothing but, we know that it is half into base into height. So half into base into height. So that means when we talk about area of a triangle, there are two things very important, base and height. So let's understand the base and the height concept in a triangle. Let's understand, it's very easy. Let us consider a triangle for that. So we consider a triangle ABC. Yeah, my first question is, what is the base of triangle ABC? Think, what's the base? What's the base? Yes, I know, you're saying the base is side BC. No, BC is the base, but BC is not the only base. Any side of a triangle can be the base. That means it can be AB, it can be BC, or it can be AC. Beautiful. So remember, any side of a triangle can be the base. So now, but if you want BC to be the base, we'll have to drop a perpendicular from A. Now if we drop a perpendicular from this vertex A on that side BC, now we can say that BC is the base and AD is the height. So now when AD is the height, we can say BC is the base. So that means these are the corresponding bases and height. Now you understood what I am talking? Yes, right? That means base can be determined with the help of a height, right? So now in this first case, what we learned is we know the height is AD and we know the base is BC. Now let's do another thing. Let's drop a perpendicular from the vertex B on its opposite side, that is AC. We drop it, right? So now in this case, what will be the height and the base? The height is going to be BE, perfect, and the base is going to be AC. So very good, right? Simple. So you understood what is base and height right now? Beautiful. Now let's drop a perpendicular from C on its opposite side, that is AB. Let's do that now. So now in this case, what will be the height and the base? Yes, the height is going to be CF and the base is going to be AB. So we write the height is CF and the base is AB. So now we have understood what is the height and the base of this particular triangle. The concept is clear, right? Now in this case, understand AD is the corresponding height for base BC. Remember that. AD is the corresponding height for base BC, and conversely we can say that BC is the corresponding base for height AD. So they are the corresponding bases and heights of each other, right? Simple. This is what I want you to understand. Next one. Now when we see BE and AC, remember here, for BE is the corresponding height for base AC, and conversely we can say that AC is the corresponding base for height BE. Beautiful. Is this much clear? And the next one, CF and AB, when you look here, it's the same here. CF is the corresponding height for base AB and AB is the corresponding base for height CF. This is what we understood. So hope so we have understood what is the corresponding base and the height, right? So the concept of base and height is clear. Beautiful. Now let's understand much more now. Now we consider an obtuse angle triangle. Let's say I consider a triangle PQR. Now in this triangle PQR, my first question is, what will be the base? Think, what's the base? What's the base? Yes, the base is nothing but side QR. No, just now we learned that any side can be the base. So it can be PQ, it can be QR, it can be PR. Let's say I want QR to be the base. So if we want QR to be the base, we should drop the perpendicular. That's the height from where? From P. So let's drop it from P. Now when I drop a perpendicular from P right now, is it, right? Do we have a base here? No, we don't have. The perpendicular has to be dropped on a side. We don't have it. So what do? We have to extend QR now. So extend it. That is why the extension has to be done. Is this clear to everybody? So now in this case, we can say that the height will be PS and the base will be QR. So we write the height there as PS and we write the base as QR. So is the concept of base and height clear? This is very important for us to move further in the chapter.